question from JEE Main Session 1 2024. Let's start answering it. To answer it, first we'll write down the question as it is. N minus 1 CR is equal to K square minus 8 into N CR plus 1. We'll take this product into the left hand side. It will become N minus 1 CR divided by N CR plus 1 is equal to K square minus 8. We know binomial ratio will always be positive. Here this LHS is a binomial ratio. Thus we can say that K square minus 8 is always greater than or equal to 0. We can take this 8 to the right hand side. It will become K square is greater than or equal to 8. K is greater than or equal to plus or minus root 8. Root 8 is equal to 2 root 2. It will become K is greater than or equal to plus or minus 2 root 2. This can also be written as K minus 2 root 2 and K plus 2 root 2. Let's plot them on a number line. We get minus 2 root 2 and plus 2 root 2. Let's draw a curve. The above the number line will be positive and below will be negative. So we can write this as K belongs to minus infinity comma minus 2 root 2 and union 2 root 2 comma infinity. This is equation number 1. For second part, let's write down the first equation that we got, that is N minus 1 CR divided by N CR plus 1 is equal to K square minus 8. N plus 1 CR plus 1 is equal to N plus 1 divided by R plus 1 N CR. This is the formula used. Okay, so this will become, let's take the common out, N R plus 1 divided by N minus 1 CR divided by N minus 1 CR is equal to K square minus 8. We'll cancel out this N minus 1 CR and N minus 1 CR. Thus we obtain an equation that is N divided by R plus 1 is equal to K square minus 8. We know in NCR the domain of N is always greater than 0 and domain of R is always greater than or equal to 0. We also know that N is greater than or equal to R plus 1. We'll take this to the LHS. It will become N divided by R plus 1 is greater than or equal to 1. This is similar to this one. We'll substitute K square minus 8 for N divided by R plus 1 is greater than or equal to 1. Take the 8 to the RHS. It will become K square is greater than 9. K is greater than or equal to plus or minus 3 because root 9 is equal to 3. This we can write it as minus 3 less than or equal to K, which is less than or equal to 3. This is equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, we can say that K belongs to minus 3 comma minus 2 root 2 open bracket union 2 root 2 comma 3. So the correct option here for this question is one, because 2 root 2 is less than K but greater than or equal to 3. Here there is no 2 root 3, so this is wrong. There is no 2 root 3 and no 3 root 3 and no 2 root 3. So this is the correct answer. Now we are going to do the second question from JEE Main Section 1 2024. The question is as follows. The distance from the point 7, minus 2, 11 from the line x minus 6 by 1 is equal to y minus 4 by 0 is equal to z minus 8 by 3. Along the line x minus 5 by 2 is equal to y minus 1 by minus 3 is equal to z minus 5 by 6. Now let's look at the diagrammatic form of this equation. So this is the point B and this is the point A. Point B lies on the line with Cartesian form this, and point A is along the line x minus 7 by 2 is equal to y plus 2 by minus 3 is equal to z minus 11 by 6. Now let's start answering the question. I hope this diagram is clear. Now let's start doing the question. For that, first let's write down the vector form of point B, and it will be 2 lambda plus 7 comma minus 3 lambda minus 2 comma 6 lambda plus 11. Now we know that point B lies on the line with the Cartesian form x minus 6 divided by 1 is equal to y minus 4 by 0 is equal to z minus 8 by 3. We can substitute the values of x, y and z in the Cartesian form. We will get 2 lambda plus 7 minus 6 divided by 1 is equal to minus 3 lambda minus 2 minus 4 divided by 0 is equal to 6 lambda plus 11 minus 8 divided by 3. This one and see what we are getting the value of lambda. Minus 3 lambda minus 6 is equal to 0. Minus 3 lambda is equal to 6. Lambda is equal to minus 2. Now let's substitute these into the Cartesian, the vector form of point B. The vector form of point B is 2 lambda plus 7 comma minus 3 lambda minus 2 comma 6 lambda plus 11. Now substitute in each. We'll get 2 into minus 2 plus 7 comma minus 3 into minus 2 comma 6 into minus 2 plus 11. So the values that we are getting is 3 comma 4 comma minus 1. We got the point A. We have the point A which is already given, that is 7 minus 2 11, and point B we just found out, that is 3 comma 4 comma minus 1. Now let's substitute it in the distance formula. We have to find the distance of AB. So for that we use the distance formula, and it's as follows. Now we'll subtract 7 minus 3 minus 2 4 and 11 minus of minus 1. So it will be 7 minus 3 the whole square plus 4 minus of minus 2 the whole square plus 11 minus of minus 1 the whole square, which is equal to root 16 plus 36 plus 144 is equal to root 196. Root 196 is equal to 40. This is the third question of Jain Main Session 1 2024. Let's start answering the question. Answer. First, let's write the first equation that is given. Dx by dt plus ax is equal to 0. Dx by dt is equal to minus ax. Dx by x is equal to minus a dt. Differentiating on both sides, dx by x is equal to minus a dt. This is log x is equal to minus at plus c. Now at t is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2, log natural log 2 is equal to c, because since at is equal to 0. Let's substitute this in the value which is given to the equation that was first formed. Ln x is equal to minus at plus log 2. We'll take it to the other side. Ln x minus ln 2 is equal to minus at ln x by 2 is equal to minus at multiplying both sides by e raised to ln x by 2 equal to e raised to minus at x by 2 is equal to e raised to minus at x is equal to 2 e raised to minus at. This is the first equation. Second equation, we take dy by dt plus by is equal to 0. Dy by dt is equal to minus by. Dy by y is equal to minus b dt. Differentiating on both sides, dy by y is equal to dy minus b dt. Natural log y is equal to minus bt plus c. At t is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1, ln 1 is equal to 0 plus c is equal to ln 1. Now let's substitute it into the first equation. It will become ln y is equal to minus bt plus ln 1 ln y minus ln 1 is equal to minus bt. Ln y is equal to minus bt multiplying both sides with e from e raised to ln y is equal to e raised to minus bt. Y is equal to e raised to minus dt. This is the second equation. According to the question, 3y1 is equal to 2x1. That is 3 e raised to minus b is equal to 2 e raised to, no, it's there's 2 into, so 2 into 2 e raised to minus a. This 3 e raised to minus b is equal to 4 e raised to minus a. E raised to minus b divided by e raised to minus a is equal to 4 by 3. We know that anything for x raised to a divided by x raised to b equal to x raised to a minus b. We'll substitute that and we'll get e raised to minus b minus of minus a is equal to 4 by 3. E raised to minus b plus a is equal to 4 by 3. E raised to a minus b is equal to 4 by 3. So x of t equal to y of t. To e raised to minus at is equal to e raised to minus bt. 2 is equal to e raised to minus bt divided by e raised to minus at. Which can be also written as 2 is equal to e raised to a minus b into t with the exponential formula that we used in the previous equation. We know that e raised to a minus b is given here. E raised to a minus b is 4 by 3. We'll substitute that here. 2 is equal to 4 by 3 all raised to t. This can be written as log 4 by 3. 2 is equal to